Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2019 320 Vantage. As you can see, if you go down the side of the hull, the lines are beautiful. It's got the nice, beautiful blue color on it. It's also powered by the Mercury Verado twin 350s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Let's hop on board. Here we are on board the 32 Vantage. Let's start at the back. Very comfortable seat. If you're out and you want to fish a little bit, you can just fold it up, put it away. Fantastic. It's got a dive door. Really neat seat. Does all kinds of different things. Adjustable all over the place. You get another one that has an automatic button to lower it and raise it. You've got a little small cabin if you need to get out of the weather and just take a nap. You can go down below in there. Plenty of room for a couple people in there. Over at the helm, you've got plenty of room for two large GPSs on here. And you also have the joystick. Fantastic. Does everything. Sideways, you name it, it does it. As we move to the head area, another large room in here as well. The head has got a vacuum flush on it. It's got a seat. Fantastic. Plenty of room. And as we move towards the bow, large lounges up front here. You also have the beach boarding ladder, and your windlass is recessed in here. So fantastic for getting on and off the boat and not getting wet. So fantastic. Big hard top. You'll love this boat. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.